From the very moment of birth, we humans are capable of making sounds, first in the form of cries, then as incomplete words, and finally as clear speech. There are many parts in our body that help us speak or produce sounds. One of the main part is the voice box or larynx. It is a lung that remains close to our throat and has two vocal cords stretching across it. They are the source for speech production in our body. That is, when air is exhaled from the lungs, it causes the vibration of the vocal cords. This in turn results in the production of sounds. However, there are other parts as well that help in the process. The mouth and the nostrils are two of them. Yet another organ is the tongue. It plays a vital role in speech by moving into different shapes. Then there are the lips and the teeth, which help in the better expression of sounds. Thanks for watching this video.